is a power washer.
Power washer.
And
Unboxing.
what does the name brand say there?
We bought it from Amazon.
Amazon Prime, same day delivery.
Amazon Prime.
3,500 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute. Instruction manual. Comes in a big old box. This is the thingy for the soap bottle. And we're gonna test that here in a little bit. Soap bottle. It comes with 4 different heads. 0 to, I think it's 0 degrees to 45 or something like that. 10, 40. I think it's 0 degrees to 40 degrees. Perfect. Soap bottle. Looks like the rack for the sprayer gun. The hose reel. This is what I wanted because I didn't like wrapping up my own hose.
There was about a $15 difference between that reel, right?
Right. I mean, there were cheaper ones, but nothing that was
Well,
3,500
plastic.
psi. You know, this automotive brush for the car tires.
Ooh, nice.
Wash the car.
Nice.
More foam for protection. Here is the gun nozzle. It's pretty steady to me. It's pretty strong, durable. Here is the machine itself. There's one more thing, the gun handle here with a lock. So just like a gun, so you won't.
And there's different colors, but you chose green.
Yourself. Yeah, I chose green. You don't want to spray yourself because you can severely cut yourself.
Oh wow.
It's 3,500 psi. That's pretty strong.
Open the plastic bag up.
The manual. Where's the manual at?
You put it in the big box.
Here. Okay, look. It's the high pressure washer manual. This. Is the machine itself. Here it is. For the hoses, on and off switch. Off, on switch. This is for the hose, actually. Warning labels. There goes the wheel. Nice. Again, this is the Mr. Lions, I guess. Model 1800 JS-602A. It was $199 with tax.
$199 with tax.
Free shipping, same day shipping. If you want to watch me assemble it, this goes here. There we go. It comes with a small screwdriver with some screws. I didn't even read the manual, I'm just setting it up.
I always tell you, read the manual.
Well, I already looked at a bunch of stuff online, so you get me screwing that in. It screws in from the back right here. This is the handle. Make sure it's nice and tight. There's 2 screws. Mr. Lyons. I guess it's Mr. Lyons. Model number right there. 2.0. Max 2.6 gallons per minute. 3,500 psi. This is a mid-grade to what was it? High grade?
Medium to high.
Medium to high quality power washer. It took me 2 weeks to decide on this one. Why not get the best? Also, I used the Amazon gift card that I got for my birthday. So basically I only paid $76. Okay, that's in there. This is the gun. It goes in like that one way. You turn it, locks. That's the stores. Right here. I guess it stores right there. No, it stores right here. It's for the
hose?
No, it looks like it's for the extension cord.
Oh, for the cord.
Right. The cord's pretty long. I think it's about 20 feet long. And this is for the hose. This one's for the hose. So there you go. I installed it without any instructions. But I definitely
still
will
need to
read
read the
it before I use it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's it.
Doesn't even look like a typical power washer.
No.
I would have never thought this was a power washer. If I would look at it first, I'd be like, what kind of a
It's cool,
tool
right?
is this?
It's cool, right?
It's very nice.
That's it. 1800 JS 602A Alpha high pressure washer. Put some automotive soap in here because to me soap is soap. Here's the gun connected to the hose to the machine. Here's the machine reel connected to the water hose. I'm gonna turn on the water now.
This is a demo, and I was gonna wash my back my back mats, but my husband said, let me test out my pressure washer on these back mats.
Here's the on and off switch. Hold on. What is that? There's the soap. Alright.
He's doing the soap first.
Okay. Now I'm gonna disconnect the hose. Oh shoot, hold on.
Hey, no, this is the first demo. We're keeping it in there.
Okay, so you gotta turn off the water before you switch out the hose.
So you have to turn off the water before you switch out the hose.
I did not know that.
Of course you didn't know that. It's your first time using it.
Okay, so now we're gonna remove the soap bottle. Okay, twist, push, twist, and turn. And there's different degrees on here. Here's the spray nozzle. And there's different nozzle degrees. This one's 25. The lower the number, this is 15, the stronger the pressure. What does that say? 0. This is 0. This will clean cement and stuff. This one's 40. So this one's 40. This one's the biggest degree. So we're gonna do 40. Okay, it's just like a pneumatic connector.
Oh, I used to use those.
Yeah, make sure it's
With the air
connected.
guns.
Okay. And the machine's off, but water was still going through when I turned it off, so that means that I didn't shut off the water hose. Turn back on the water. Right? Turn the machine back
Turn
on.
it back on the water, turn the machine on.
Okay, the machine's on. Okay, here we go. There's a safety switch, just like a gun. Fire. This is a high pressure washer here. Demonstration, yeah. There it is. That's a 40. That's real. That's for like car washing. The other one's a little bit stronger. Okay.
There you go.
Good.
So my husband had a 40 pressure on there.
Oh,
So
that's a
he's going to try
25.
the 25 pressure.
Yeah, it's more stronger. The 25 is more like when you go to the car wash. 40 is for like washing screens and self-static things. So I just do the 40, something a little better. No, this is a 25.
Go back on the screen.
40 was the first one, but I'm going to use the 15 now.
Okay, we're going to do the 15 now.
I'm doing the 15 degree.
Now this is a 15 degree. Let's
Okay.
see.
Let's see what kind of pressure this gets. Oh, that's a little better, yeah. See how we're using the other side? This is 3,500 PSI. It's pretty powerful. If you want to turn it like that. Look at that. Pretty clean, huh? Alright guys, this is the last demonstration of the night. This is a 0 degree pressure. It's supposed to be the strongest pressure. Let's see how it cleans up this sidewalk. See how dirty that sidewalk is? Let's check it out. Here we go. That's 0 degrees. Look how strong that is. That's too strong. The one that's 15 degrees, you can control it better. This is like to take off some heavy crap. Damn, you saw how that was?